Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this Flixten case from ESR with MagSafe, and it is for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I chose this one because of the MagSafe and the kickstand feature, which is really nice, and it has good reviews on Amazon, so let's check it out. So out of the case, so I'm going to show you the back features: military grade protection, adjustable on-demand kickstand, strong magnetic lock, built to last 3,000 uses. So let's see here. So they came with different colors. There is a clear, fully clear case. The one I picked was a gray clear. There's also a black clear and a purple. So this is the clear gray case. And as you can see, it's very clear. I did read the details that it has an anti-yellowing feature, because some of those clear cases becomes yellow over time. So this should not. And let's see here, what do we have here? Oh, this is just their magazine of the items they offer. So as you can see there, kickstand is pretty easy to use. See, you could use the standing up like vertically and horizontally. So to test the magnetic feature, I have a magnetic charger here. Let me see if that is a very good grip, mag ease, as you can see. So this is one of those handles that I got that are magnetic, so let's try that out. See if it sticks. As you can see, there you go. So it has a very strong magnet, so that's really nice. So I try to test this, and if you want this product, I got it on Amazon. I link it in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.